Hey Tube. Today we start a new course to talk about NestJS. Um, so we're starting with the first quick video to talk about what is NestJS, what are the core principles in NestJS, and some of the building blocks of NestJS. So first, what is NestJS? Let's just talk about this thing first. Let's make the size way more or less. Yeah, exactly. So mhm, NestJS is a framework for building efficient, reliable, and scalable server-side application. It uses modern JavaScript and is built in with it is built with the TypeScript. NestJS combines elements of object-oriented programming, functional programming, and functional reactive programming. And the core concept of Nest.js will comes into four sections or four important things. The first, it will be the modularity. It uses models to organize the code. Each model is tightly coupled. It's tightly coupled set of capabilities, which include controllers, servers, and other providers that are related to a specific feature. So you can think of your module. Let's say that you have a big application, and you can just say that your module they are independent and they are basically you can think about it as each model is support so to support something like there is a auth model that is responsible for authentication. Let's say that we have a Twitter, so we have, for example, a timeline model, we have a message model, and etc. And all models are independent and they don't and they work on themselves. The second thing that we talk about, which is a big point in my opinion, which is the scalability. By leveraging TypeScript and its modular structure, Nest.js application can be easily scaled and maintained. Also, other thing that I want to talk about, which is maintainability. So the framework encourage writing, cleaning, and maintainable code. Its structures helps in organizing code logically and makes it more reliable and easier to maintain. And lastly, folks uh, from uh, from Angular know about that, which is dependency injection. And if you don't know what this means from all the four points, we will create a video for each one of them. So the dependency injection, it's Nest.js uses a powerful dependency injection system that makes it easy to develop loosely coupled components. This is crucial for creating a scalable and teasable application. Um, After that, we this is the what is Nest.js and what are the core principles. And it's important to know that Nest.js is built on Express, so it's a pretty fast. In the next videos, we're trying to setting up our first Nest.js application, and after that we can talk about the project structure, and after that we talk about the modularity, scalability, and maintainability and dependency injection. I'm trying to make all videos from 3 minutes to 5 minutes long, so it will be only focused in one point and one point only, and it will be easier for you guys to just listen to them because it will not take that much time from you. So that's it for today's video.